Alright guys, the form that I've been throwing here is almost finished, and what I want to talk about is the rim. Okay, and this rim up here is the thing that is hardest to fix if you screw it up. If you touch it anywhere on the rim after it's taken off the wheel, it's really hard to bring this back. Now I don't know if you can see, it's kind of hard to show you how beat up this rim is. But what I want to show you is a little trick for bringing the rim into a nice final shape. First thing you want to do is hush chicken. Okay, so remember the chicken's beak, and you go hush, and it just rides around the rim, and then bring that down. Okay, but now it's a very square rim. It's not a very kissable rim. And by that I mean if you want to drink out of this, that rim is going to be kind of uncomfortable for your lips because it's got a sharp edge on it. So what you do is you find a little scrap of paper towel, okay, get it wet, nice and slippy, and you're going to hold it maybe about that far between your fingers, about like that. And what I want you to do is to just lay it over your rim and kind of do a little bit of a back and forth. Just letting the rim spin through that piece of paper. Push down if you want. Now, I don't think I can do it justice here, but you see how awesome that rim is now? Do that every time. Now, knowing that the rim is one of the hardest parts to fix is a valuable thing, because when you get this off the wheel, the first thing you're going to want to do is cover it in plastic. If you lay your plastic down on that rim, next day you go to remove it, all you're going to have is a ton of plastic marks all over your rim. It's going to be bad news. So when you do your torch drying, I want you to really focus, and never use the torch while the wheel isn't spinning. I want you to really focus a lot of time on that top rim right here before you take it off the wheel. Down in the bottom down here can be a little wetter. You want it to be not tacky as you take it off the wheel. But that rim, man, I tell you, hard to fix a gummed up rim once it's already off the wheel. So dry that a little bit more in the moments before you're ready to take it off the wheel. You'll have perfect, beautiful rims every time. Good luck.